We are in Ohio hunting this morning. Nick has a turkey tag here. We're hunting on one of our friend's properties. Nick has been here before. I've never been here before. We're a little late. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little light out already, but that's okay. We're gonna get in there. We're just like a minute away. So here we go. We're running very late, but that's okay. I might have just heard a gobble. I might have just heard a gobble.
Oh, sounds good.
Look at that butt.
There's no turkeys here. You want to go back to this? Let's go for a little walk.
Haven't heard any gobbles, but we did hear some hens, so we are packing up and we're gonna head that way. I slept a little bit, not gonna lie.
That was cool. Snuck behind the decoy, like he was gonna attack it.
I know, I thought he was.
He smelled it. He definitely smelled me.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened as well. There was a gang of turkeys like 100 yards away, clucking and gobbling. And two coyotes came off that same ridge. They stalked the turkeys and attacked them.
Was this why you were deer hunting?
Yeah. They killed one too. It was crazy. I just don't feel like shooting a coyote and skinning it and throwing it away. Those gobblers were still going at it though, so I don't know. Maybe one will come in. I doubt it.
Maybe you should call again.
Yeah. That was neat either way.
That was so cool.
That is one lucky coyote. He might still be coming.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh yeah, he's coming.
So that Tom got hung up. Nick could see him at 80 yards. And he couldn't see our decoy. He never came in. He went the other direction. And I think he has a hen with him now. So Nick snuck over there to set up a little bit closer. And I stayed back just so I was one less distraction and noisemaker, you know. So he's over there right now and just called. And no response. So it's not looking good right now.
He didn't see the decoy.
Right.
I didn't realize that there's another creek bed over there. And he was like in the creek bed.
That's a bummer.
And there was a hen. There's a hen up there.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
She's probably who we heard earlier.
I'm sure that coyote didn't do us any help either.
No. I'm actually shocked that he even came down.
Me too. I think that must have been a young coyote.
I know, it looked very small.
Yeah. He probably didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
Well, he was a big tom.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, he was, I mean, full out tom. He probably had 8-inch beard, maybe more.
Yeah.
I could see it from 100 yards away. Flicked 6 ticks off me.
Oh, I see another one on you right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Or 2 more, actually.
Bastards. Well, there's more birds in here. He's not the only one.
Yeah.
I see them in the fall hanging out together. There's 4 or 5 big ones.
Yeah.
I'm sure he was one of them.
Like, I think I can still hear that guy gobbling, but he's on someone else's property now, so it's one of those things, you know?
You hear those hens going nuts? Coyote got into him. Do you hear that?
Yeah,
Do you
but
not
why do
hear
you I do, but why do you think the coyote got into him?
That's exactly what they did over there when that happened. Whenever I was sitting in that tree stand, the coyotes attacked. It's exactly the noise they made.
Huh.
They freaked out and scattered and did that. I bet my life on it that coyote got into him. I don't know that he killed one, but that's actually a good thing. Because he just busted up the flock for us. It's a big deer. Squirrels destroyed it.
Wow.
It's a big deer.
Wow,
Look at how
that's
thick that-
beautiful.
So,
Yeah.
we can try going back to that first ridge. Maybe they blew down that way. And then head out.
Yeah.
Oh, it was in the tree.
Oh, wow.
They're so spooked.
They are.
These coyotes got into it.
Was that a hen?
Sounded like a noise.
Sounded like a hen. And I didn't see a big red head. So I don't think that the camera picked it up, but we heard some more turkey sounds, clucks and gobbles and things. And we popped up on this little ridge, and within, I don't know, maybe a minute or two, a turkey flew from out of the tree. Like he or she, I think it was a she, was roosted and then flew and made some clucks as she was flying. And then not long after, we see the same coyote again run that direction. So, oh, and look, he's back. See, he just ran. He was running to the left. Still see him.
He stopped.
Yep, he did.
He wants to come over. Circling behind us just like he did last time.
Yeah. He's funny.
He's making turkey hunting really difficult. I think it's fair to say all the turkeys are gone.
Yeah.
They went in 10 different directions.
Literally.
But they're just so spooked, they're running around like crazy.
Yeah.
I don't even know if they're in this valley anymore. They're literally everywhere. Oh my god. They're crawling all over me. They love wool. That's the problem. Like this puppy. They'll never sit on this puppy.
So that concludes our day 2 of hunting. Oh, we're tired. Very sleepy. Day 1 was boring. It was slow. And today was much better. on to day 3.